Yo, what's cracking, mates? Nope, I'm not dead yet. I've just been overwhelmed a lot lately, both by my real job and also by some activities. To throw you a bone, I'm doing this quick surface level video showcasing what I'm currently working on. The first point on the list is the rewrite of my camera tool NeoWowUtils2, which moves from a C#.NET codebase to a new one using C++20. The reasoning behind it is that some of the low-level black magic shenanigans I want to implement are simply not possible within the context of a managed language. It was a fresh start from scratch, so I was cutting off some features which never were used anyway, and it also has zero dependencies on any external libraries. All of the UI is done using the Win32 API, and believe me, there will be a lot to talk about in detail once I'm done. Right now, the memory controls are already implemented and they work very well, even better than before. What is still missing right now is the weapon system with all its interpolation logic, but I certainly am seeing the light at the end of the tunnel here. Number 2 on the list is the LUA function parser. At the start of the year, I wanted to know which LUA functions are available in the client and also see a detailed function signature for each. Since the existing documentation didn't satisfy me, I unfortunately decided that it would be a nice and rather short challenge to create a better one myself. Unbeknownst to me, this absolutely turned out to be a giant rabbit hole and devolved further and further into extra work. In essence, there are two sets of LUA functions. One is standalone and the other one is for all the UI widgets. My C++ app parses the source of a few thousand LUA functions I export from Ghidra, and it tries to infer further information like parameter types by doing so. I even started to implement a very crude form of a runtime, where I track certain local variables and their assignments in order to correctly follow loops and branches using the shunting yard algorithm. Is it unnecessary and over-engineered? Yep. But who cares anyway, it's a lot of fun to flex and it's very interesting to me to learn about new fields which I am never touching in my real job. This certainly is way lower on the priority list than the rewrite, since I cannot even properly estimate when I will be done with this project. But if you are in any way interested in over-the-top crazy programming solutions, you definitely should keep an eye out for the video which is coming. And last but not least, number 3 of the things I'm explicitly working on right now. This is about my Ghidra project for the 335A client. I know that a lot of you already have asked me to share it, and I certainly will be doing so in the future. Right now I want to progress its completion until I'm at the point where I'm happy with sharing my results. I was already spinning up another project in my mind where I want to make it easier to cross-reference functions from the friends and family alpha as well as the calculus client. It should be possible to pass the source code of those clients and automatically generate suggestions of possible matches with a smart algorithm. Lately I have also written quite some Ghidra scripts which help to deal with bulk edits in the Ghidra repos as well as cross in and exports from and to either in order to share progress with others. All in all, that's it for today. I'll be enjoying the rest of the summer here, but you should hear from me again rather sooner than later this time. See ya.